Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. New York and index of global stock markets fell, while short-term U.S. Treasury yields rose on Friday after Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell said the U.S. economy will need tight monetary policy for some time before inflation is under control. The dollar erased early losses to turn positive against a basket of currencies, while gold, which loses appeal as interest rates rise, fell after Powell's comments. U.S. stocks fell after the Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell said taming inflation will take a sustained effort that could lead to pain for households and business. At 10:80, the Dow Jones Industrial Average was down 81 points or 0%, while the S&P 5,000 ticket lowered 3% and the Nasdaq Composite was down 4%. Investors were looking to Powell's comments for hints the central bank might make smaller interest rate hikes at coming meetings. After raising rates by 75 percentage points in each of its last two meetings, some have been beating the Fed will raise its benchmark rate by a half point at its September meeting. Powell, speaking at the Fed's annual meeting in Jackson Hole, Ohio, didn't offer specifics but did say higher rates would be necessary for longer, but added at some point it would be appropriate to slow the pace of the increases. Powell has said policymakers would be looking at data to determine their next move. One data point looks at closely is the core personal consumption index, which summed out this morning and showed a 4% increase in July over last year, on pace with expectations and down from June's 4% reading that comes after the consumer price index for July slowed from June. More inflation data and the August jobs report will come out in coming weeks. Dell Technologies share fell 8% after the personal computer maker cut its outlook for the year, saying consumers were slowing their purchases amid the challenging economic environment. Ulta Beauty shares rose 3% after better than expected earnings and an optimistic outlook for sales of cosmetics and other beauty products. Oil rose, crude oil with the futures rose 2% to H92 a barrel, while Brent oil futures crude rose 4% to 99 a barrel. Gold futures slipped 5% to 17. As a market crash takes place, assets become oversold and typical shares and oversold bonds return to mean reversion or some price snapback to the bottom of the precast range. Afterward, the asset under study either consolidates, continues the downtrend, or returns to the bullish uptrend if the downside catalyst was not significant enough to break the market structure. Cuba said on Friday it sought U.S. technical assistance in cleaning up after a massive fire at an oil stro- storage facility that killed 16 firefighters. Experts from Cuba and the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency met virtually on Wednesday to discuss the cleanup effort at the Matanzas supertanker port east of Havana in what the Cuban Foreign Ministry characterized as a professional and fruitful exchange. Cuba asked for an assessment of its efforts so far and about gaining access to innovation U.S. techniques and procedures from the EPA, other agencies, and oil companies, the Forage Ministry said. Lightning strike ignited an oil struggle thing at Matanzas 3 weeks ago, and the fire spread to three more tanks. It was extinguished after a week, and the government said it was the worst fire in the Caribbean islands history. Okay guys, maybe that's all from me. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. See you!